Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process on how to enable two-step verification in Telegram. Protecting your account with an extra layer of security is crucial, and this full guide is here to help. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your device. Locate the Telegram icon and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're in the main interface of Telegram, look for the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner. Tap on it to access the menu. Step 3. In the menu, you'll find various options. Locate and tap on Settings, and then select Privacy and Security. Step 4. Scroll down in the Privacy and Security settings and find the two-step verification option. Tap on it. Step 5. In the two-step verification settings, you'll see an option to set a password. Tap on Set Password. Step 6. Set a strong password of your choice and re-enter it to confirm. Step 7. For added security, you have the option to set a hint for your password, optional. Type in a hint that will help you remember your password. Step 8. Additionally, you can set up an email address for password recovery. Type in your email address. Step 9. After entering your email, you'll receive a verification code. Enter the code in the provided field to verify your email. By following these simple steps, you can enable two-step verification in Telegram, adding an extra layer of security to your account. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you enhance the security of your Telegram account. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tricks.